wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aini Nurahmawati from the Office Administration Education, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. On this occasion, I will present the result of internship report on the membership division of PT Taspen Persero Bekasi branch office. The first one is the background of the internship program. Along with the rapid development of technology, it required people to be more creative, innovative, adaptive, and collaborative. To produce the best graduates who have competence and expertise in their respective field, the State University of Jakarta conduct internship program or PKL activities to add new knowledge, insight, and experience that previously could not be felt by students in lectures on campus. PT Taspen Persero Bekasi branch office was chosen because the Social Service Office has a connection with the field of study of office administration education, such as controlling firms following the course of administrative analysis system, using a computer, scanner, printer, and the other technologies, following the course of office technology, and using application of core business or ACB following the course of office automation. The implementation of this internship program has its purpose and objective. The purpose of this activity is to meet academic obligation and requirements, to provide opportunities for students to experience the actual work of work, and to directly implement the materials cut during lecture. Moreover, the objective of the implementation of these internship programs are to develop the communication skill, to improve students' insight, competencies, and skill, to develop an independent attitude, discipline, and responsibility, and to establish a good relationship between students with companies and universities with companies. Place and time of the internship. I carry out internship program at PT Taspen Persero Bekasi branch office, which is located at Jalan Kemakmuran number 39, Margajaya South, Bekasi District, Bekasi City, with the website address in www.taspen.co.id, and I conduct an internship in the membership division and carried it out from February 1st until March 3rd, 2021 for 22 working days, with working hours from Monday to Friday at 8 a.m. until 3 p.m. Vision and mission. Like the other companies, PT Taspen Persero has a vision and mission in carrying out its business, that a guideline in carrying out activities to achieve the goals set. The vision is to become a superior, reliable, and sustainable social insurance and pension fund company, to realize the welfare of members, to improve the Indonesian economy and society. And the mission is ensuring the realization of the best service and reliable investment and leadership of business innovation and digital transformation, supported by human resources that are trusting, competent, harmonious, loyal, adaptive, and collaborative. Company history. PT Taspen Persero was initially established on April 17, 1963 under the name of State Company Savings and Insurance Fund of Civil Servant, or PENTASPEN, which runs the old age saving and pension program. It then transformed into a public company on November 18, 1970. Furthermore, on January 4, 1982, there was an increase in the company status under the name of PT Taspen Persero. And starting from July 1st, 2015, PT Taspen Persero is trusted to manage the social insurance program, namely the Work Accident Insurance Program or JKK and Death Insurance Program or JKM. Based on information from the employee of PT Taspen Persero Bekasi branch office, PT Taspen Persero Bekasi branch office initially stood in the Ruko building on Jalan Insinyur Haji Juanda number 137 And on 2014, PT Taspen Persero Bekasi branch office occupied a new standalone building on Jalan Kemakmuran number 39, Margajaya, South Bekasi. PT Taspen Persero Bekasi branch office officially became a branch office on September 4, 2013. Organizational structure. According to Hasibuan 2010, the organizational structure summarized diagrams that explain the chain of command, responsibility, range of control, employment relationships, and leadership system of an organization. PT Taspen Persero Bekasi branch office has a line organizational structure that shows the range of control ranging from the branch managers, assistant managers, and staffs. Each section has its duties and responsibilities. Field of work. During the internship program implementation, I was guided by Mr. Yulianto as the staff of the membership division and Mrs. Anggi as the staff of the cash and verification division. The tasks that I have done are sort the files for scanning, save or achieve files, find and retrieve existing files to be destroyed, find a retirement ID card or card and give it to Taspen members, update the personal data of Taspen members by matching it to the data in the Dukcapil web, verify, authorize, close and post data, take receipt, and request the signature of assistant manager and branch manager. Constraints faced and how to overcome them. In implementing internship activities, I face some constraints which can lead to disruption of the smooth work. Such constraints can occur because of internal factor and external factor. The first constraint is the difficulty in using the application of core business or ACB. ACB is a database application used by PT Taspen in collecting data from Taspen members. All work done by employees is centered on the database. Because I just found out and learned the use of the application, and because there are many menus in the ACB application, because I often forget the function of the existing menus. So I have to ask many times to the supervisor about what menus to choose. To overcome this constraint, I write the steps that must be done on each job in the notebook or record the steps through the phone. This is very helpful because if I forget, I can look back at the notes that I have been written or the videos that I have been recorded before to remember. The second constraint is frequent disruption in SCB application, such as errors or not responding. The constraint includes troubleshooting software like bugs on the computer system. If there is an error or system not responding, I need to close all windows in the SCB application, then relogin to enter the SCB application system. This method effectively handles system error, so I don't have to wait for a long time to wait for the system to run again. The third constraint is the unavailable paper shredder. Paper shredder is a tool used to destroy cards, CDs, and paper containing vital information to prevent irresponsible person misuse of vital information. The files in PT Taspen Persero Bekasi branch office mostly contain vital information or personal data of Taspen members, where the confidentiality of information must be appropriately maintained. However, as far as I can see, PT Taspen Bekasi branch office does not own or provide paper shredder to destroy important files. Because I'm aware of the importance of existing information and prevent the use of personal information of Taspen members, I'm taking the initiative to tear or cut vital information that are no longer used into small parts. Although this activity will add a little workload, it is better to do this as prevention to maintain the confidentiality of the personal data or information of Taspen members. The conclusion. The conclusion of this internship report is internship program or PKL is an activity carried out to add new knowledge, insight, and experience for students. I have carried out this internship in the membership division of PT Taspen Persero Bekasi branch office for 22 working days starting from February 1st, 2021 until March 3rd, 2021 by complying with applicable health protocols. During the implementation of the internship, I got a lot of valuable experience and knowledge. Through this internship program, I encountered some constraints that must be overcome, such as interference in the ACB application that can be overcome by closing all application windows, difficulties in using ACB application that can be overcome by recording every step of use, and the unwillingness of paperless reader that can be overcome by ripping or cutting files containing vital information. That's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.